If you need to recover your Afterpay account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Afterpay website. Go to the official Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app on your device. Look for the login section to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Afterpay account. Afterpay will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Afterpay. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you cannot access your email or have other issues, reach out to Afterpay's customer support. Provide them with your account details, and they will assist you in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Afterpay account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.